Okay, I will be discussing the activity 2 for my space engineering course. And we are asked to discuss two satellites. One is active and one is decommissioned. Okay, so we are here in the Cellstruct website and we can obtain lots of information regarding satellites. And we can check this one, okay, the Wheeler satellite. Okay, so we can check the list of the satellites. And first, I'm going to check for the decommissioned satellite. And actually, you can go here at the bottom, so at the notes part. And it states here that a red name means the object has already decayed. So which means the satellite is decommissioned, okay? And an orange name means the object is on the list of impending decays, for example, the next 7 days. And actually, we can access this link. Okay, so let's check the list of impending satellite. Okay, so this one, the first satellite, this will be decommissioned on October 11. Okay, and we can check for the details about the satellite. So we have here two-line element, and this one will give us information, okay, regarding the satellite. So the launch date, some of the orbital details, okay, so we can obtain from this two-line element. Okay, so this is an example of satellite to be decommissioned. And let's check for the active satellite. Okay, so of course I will check this one, the color green. So the Cosmos 2251 DEB. Okay, so again, we can check for the two-line element. Okay. So this one will give us information. Okay, so regarding the satellite. Okay, and next, I will discuss what information we can obtain from this two-line element. Okay. And this is one of the decommissioned satellite, the Cosmos 1408. And this one is the details we got from Cellstruct website. Okay, so we have here the two-line element. Okay, so this will give us information regarding the satellite. Okay. Okay, first information we can get from this two-line element is the mission. So Cosmos 1408 was a Soviet electronic intelligence satellite launched under the Chelena D program. So this is designed to collect intelligence through the interception of electronic signals like radar and communication signals. So the orbital details of this Cosmos 1408, this is a low Earth orbit satellite and it orbits around the Earth roughly 1.5 hours. Okay? And some of the details are the inclination, orbital period, okay, 1.5 hours, the eccentricity, so this is nearly circular, 0.005053, and the mean motion. So again, this is a LEO, or the low Earth orbit satellite. And other details is it is launched by Soviet Union on September 16, 1982. For the payload and bus details, so the payload this is a part of Chelena D LINT program. So the Cosmos 1408's payload was used for electronic intelligence gathering, focusing on intercepting radar and other military communications. Okay, for the bus, so Chelena D bus, of course. So these satellites typically carried multiple antennas and receivers to gather signal data across different frequencies. Okay, for the additional information, so the Cosmos 1408 became notable after being deliberately destroyed by Russia in November 2021. So during an ASAT test. Okay, this test created over 1,500 trackable pieces of debris, posing a hazard to operational satellites and space activities in low Earth orbit. Okay, that's all for this sample of decommissioned satellite. Now let's proceed with the active satellite. So I have here Cosmos 2251 as an example. And again, this is the two-line element. Okay, so we can obtain information from this two-line element data. For the mission, Cosmos 2251 was a Russian military communication satellite launched in 1993. So it was part of the Strela 2M satellite series designed to provide security military communications. Okay, for the orbital details, so this is a low Earth orbit, and again it orbits around the Earth roughly 1.5 hours. Okay, for the inclination, eccentricity, okay, nearly circular, and mean motion. So it indicates low Earth orbit status. Okay, so this is launched on June 16, 1993 by Russian military, of course. Okay, for the payload, Cosmos 2251 was equipped with communication equipment designed to transmit and receive secure data over long distances for, of course, military use. So the bus is Strela 2M, so a satellite platform used for military communication by Russian government. Okay, additional information. So in February 2009, it collided with an operational Iridium 33 satellite, so causing massive debris cloud. So this was the first major collision between two satellites in Earth orbit. Okay, so that's all for this activity. Two satellites, one is active and one is decommissioned. Thank you.